Good morning to my lovely students of class 6. The topic for today is a poem titled The Quarrel, written by Eleanor John. This poem is prescribed by CBSE for class 6 in English book named Honeysuckle. Before starting with the detailed explanation of the poem, it is very important for us to know something about the poet. So, the poet for this particular poem is Eleanor John. Eleanor was born in London in 1881, educated privately. She wrote children's stories and fantasy stories and soon became popular with both children and adults. She was awarded for the outstanding work in children's literature and she died in 1965. So, my dear children, before explanation of the poem, I will give you the intro of the poem. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrel began over very small petty issues, and how with a small kind of act the quarrel ends. It is very mystic and beautiful. The poem is based on sibling love and friendship. The poet is of the opinion that siblings often quarrel and fight with each other with or without reason. But that doesn't mean that they will remain upset with each other for the whole time or day. Sibling love is so powerful and strong that even after a harsh quarrel, the bond of love will emerge powerful and melt away the bitterness caused by the quarrel. I want to ask few questions. Do you have fight with your brother or sister? How do your parents deal with this fight? Do they take the side of your brother or sister? So, childhood fight each one of us had also experienced. Without any further delay, let's move into the poem. I quarreled with my brother. Here, quarrel means an angry argument. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. Slight means small, or you can say of little importance. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So the poet here is mentioning a very general issue that all siblings means brother or sister, face and find the solution as the time passes. In these lines, the poet says that he started a quarrel with his brother without any reason. They started quarreling on one matter, which led to another conflict. But the issue didn't end. The matter was not such, but its end was serious. They both were not ready to accept their mistakes. Now, moving into the next stanza, we hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Thumped means hit me. And said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So here the poet says, in the noon the fight became serious and both started hating each other. They didn't like one another. But all of a sudden, poet's brother hit him on the back and asked him to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. He also declared humbly that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. This moved the poet's heart and he realized that he was wrong. So, this was the poem. Quarrel also begins with a small issue. Isn't that cute and beautiful? So, within this journey from quarrel to saying sorry, a lot of things come. First, is it right or wrong? In this poem also, brother and sister both feels that he or she is right and other person is wrong. This opinion leads to quarrel, but with the day one person understood the importance of bond of love. So what is the moral or message we get from this poem? That the petty issues children fight for are soon forgotten, and this is what the grown ups need to learn from children. We should avoid conflicts and have a peaceful life. So this was today's poem. Hope you all have understood the concept of the poem, and you all must go through the video and understand all the lines properly. So thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.